Hello and welcome back to this next lesson. Okay, we're going to configure some plugins today. So we log in. Okay, first, and again, let me show you that I think that what we are using are the best plugins and why. Okay, as you can see, I did a post 1 day ago, post 3 days ago. This is the hosting account that I use. This is what I use in Vidler. Well, as you can see, what I use works, and I want people to follow what I do one step at a time. And for people that don't know who I am, this is my website. This is free training, okay? And what I'm doing right now is going to be step 11, configuring the plugins. Now let's get at it. And there's going to be a lot of pausing because configuring plugins is something that you do one time and you set it and forget it. You don't keep doing it over and over, so this isn't something that I do every day. So give me a second and I will find out where we are going to start. Okay, then first things first, let's click on installed plugins. And right down at the bottom, you can see the plugins that we have installed right now. We are going to configure this one today, traffic getting. And it's going to actually it's going to install some more plugins for us. And plugins is something that you set and forget. Again, it's not something that you do every day. And this one will try to sell you some stuff, but don't worry about it. What you need to do to start out is just click install and proceed. And of course, we must agree to the terms. And the first thing we're going to do is optimize our blog and get rid of this stuff. Okay, 1 second. Okay, optimization. That means you're going to, if your website is optimized, that means that the search engines like it. Right now, your new blog, yep, they don't like it, in other words. It's only at 16%. We're going to bring this up. We're going to apply our blog tweaks. Okay. 5 tweaks have been applied. Pretty easy, huh? And we're now up to 28%. Okay, hang on just another second. Okay, we're going to click here to install the recommended plugins that they say we should have. And I'm kind of being quiet here because it's 6:33 in the AM and no one is up yet. Okay, we need to go through all of these. This is installed and activated. This one is installed and activated. Okay, not installed. Sociable. Let's install it. Okay, that didn't work out too well, did it? I know what happened is the pop-up blocker is working. So, what I'm going to do, and maybe you should too, maybe not, it's up to your computer. I'm going to right click, open in a new tab. Okay, now I click install now, and activate plugin. Alright, get rid of this and go back to where we were. And now we know this one is installed. Right click this, open a new tab, install now, activate plugin. And now it's done. Right click, open a new tab, Install now. Activate plugin. Activate. There you go. Gotta have a little bit of fun, right? Scroll down. I think you get the picture. What I'll do is I'll just keep going like this. Open up all 4 of these windows and get it over with in a hurry. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Okay. Install. Install. Activate. Activate. And then we'll get rid of these extra windows. Now what happens if we refresh this? As you can see, all of our plugins are now installed and activated. Okay, and we're back in traffic getting, and if I scroll down, you see that it is actually optimized at 72% now. Our next step is to go to blog details. Okay, extended blog title is, I'm going to use the same as my blog slogan that we put in earlier. Now description, you need to add a description in here to help the search engines find you. So I'm going to pause this and come up with a description, and this is something that you're going to need to think about, and we're going to need to come up with the keywords too. Okay, what's your blog going to be about? This is very, very important, this step is. So think about this before you do it. Okay, for our description, welcome to this free internet marketing training course on how to open a blog. Building a website step by step begins with installing the best plugins, and that is what our free internet training will show you how to do. Enjoy our internet marketing training videos. That is our description. Paste it right here. Now for your keywords, use the same keywords as you did in the description, and don't put any spaces in here. Oops, that wasn't a space, that was a B. Don't do that. Okay, they are separated by commas. They don't need the spaces in there. The only place the spaces are between the words. And there they are. Save your details. Okay, now one more thing I forgot to do is, this is all about branding yourself. Always make sure that your name is in here. Always. Okay, and our next step, come down here to advanced. You want to scroll down to the bottom, and you want to toggle this dashboard widget off, or else they will be trying to sell you stuff on your dashboard inside of your WordPress every day. And I also want to restore my original permalink structure. I want to use this. I don't want to use this. So install this, come down, toggle this off, and submit. And we are finished with Traffic Getting SEO plugin. Cool, huh? The next one is your all-in-one SEO pack must be configured. So you click on Go to Admin Page. You scroll down. I'm going to set these up, and what I want you to do is pause the video and click exactly the same things as you see here, do it to yours. I should show you something that's very important. The first thing to do is enable. Okay, and I'm back at the top of the page, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put these. Okay, I changed none of the writing, just leave it the way it is. You can pause this here and check to make sure that yours is exactly like this. Now I will scroll down to here. You can pause it here, make sure that it is exactly like this, and I will scroll to the bottom. To the bottom, make sure this is checked, and click Update Options. Now as you can see, it's not red at the top anymore, so both of those plugins are updated. Okay, and the video was up to 11 minutes, getting long. Okay, and I promised you that what we did today was going to change the look of your website a little bit. So let's open up a window and we will type in the website that we were just working on. Just a little bit of a change, and the change that you see is right here. So tomorrow or the next time we do a lesson, it's going to be on SEO Pressor or SEO, the free version, the free clone I have. Okay, SEO Pressor in my opinion is the best plugin, 2011 or 2010 or whenever it came out, but it's $47 for one-time use or $97 for unlimited use, and I can't give you mine. If I would, I could, but my code won't work in a copy that you download. But again, I do have a free one. So I guess that is about it for now. This is what your website should look like right now, except it should have your name and your header that you picked out. Okay, see you next time.